Alright guys, this is how you reset your maintenance required, which is here. But first, we're gonna do the trip miles. Switch it to A with your key in on position. So we're just gonna locate the A. So we're gonna leave it right there. See trip A. And now we're gonna turn off the car. Turn it off. And now you see this display button. You gotta press this one when you turn on, when you put the ignition to on position. You gotta turn it on and press the display at the same time. So let's do that one right now. Okay, so I'm gonna press this one and turn on the car. See, it's flashing, maintenance required. So wait, and 0. Now it's gone. See, no more. So that's it. That's how you reset your maintenance required on 2015 Toyota Corolla LE.